Hey you guys, thanks for watching my birthday video for Emry that I made. This video is semi-vlog, just showing pictures and videos that we took for Emry's birthday. I didn't get the chance to record everything because my memory was full, but hey, this is what I got. Stay tuned. Happy birthday, Em. Alright, so at this point, this is the morning of Emry's birthday. I'm just kind of doing inventory of what I have. This is Emry's banner, and we got the thank you gift bags. We also got the centerpiece toppers. Emry's eating her little breakfast, enjoying herself, and I'm just getting everything together in terms of decorating and all that good jazz. But yeah, the previous night I did not get any sleep. I stayed up until like 3-4 a.m. at night prepping everything that whole week. I was getting everything organized and all that good stuff. So yeah, her party was super dope.
Knock out in the car. As much as you love that one. Let's cut the cake, baby.
So like I said, unfortunately my memory was full on my phone, so I could literally record minimal. All I did was record mostly everything on Snapchat, and then after a certain point in time it was just like, okay, your memory is full, there's no more that you can do. So I had my friend record a couple of things on her phone and she just shared it to me. But yeah, for Emry's cake and the desserts, I made the cake we got from HOEUUS though, but I just put edible rose gold glitter on it, so it has that rose gold effect. I tried to record me making the apples and the cake, but yeah, not the cake but the cookies, but my phone wasn't recorded. So yeah, that's why this video is so short. So yeah, I use what I have in terms of me recording and using the software that I have. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is her table for desserts and everything like that. This is how the cake came out. I brought the cake topper on Amazon. I decorated everything myself. So yeah,
We're gonna sing happy birthday to Emry. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday, dear Emry. Happy birthday to you. Knock out in the car. As much as you love that one. Want to cut the cake? Want to cut the cake? Let's cut the cake, baby. Let's cut the cake. There you go.
it's a beautiful cake.
Want to cut the cake with me?